Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Shar here with another hair video. I've never purchased anything from Betterlength Hair before, but I know they offer the curly extensions in 4 different styles. Now I got these in 3A, 3B hair, and I got 18 inches. It took a little while for these to come in, probably 3 weeks. Okay, now they come in a little bag, which is cute. Hair for black women. Okay, I had no idea. That is nice. I like the little bag so I could place them back in there when I'm done. So here they are. I just got 1 pack. I'm hoping that'll be enough. This is 100% virgin human hair. Okay, so here they are. Aren't they pretty? Oh my goodness, this looks like my hair. Okay, now they have a little booklet. That's gonna be helpful. Pretty much you wanna wash these like you would your normal hair before installation. And then they have after installation daily maintenance, how to reduce tangling and shedding. So I refreshed my hair because I want them to blend together, dry together, you know. So they are so pretty. I have washed them and conditioned them like they said, but I'm gonna go ahead and install them. See, the other like clip-ins don't look like that, but this is like a lace. They got them all like in a bundle, but I'm assuming that the longer ones are on the outside. They definitely want to open the clips up. You see the clips they have on there. You want to open those up so you can get them ready for installation. So this one has 5 clips. That's pretty long. Look at that, y'all. Like, that is a perfect match to my hair. Like, even when I'm looking at it, I feel like this is my hair. Man, I like these. This is definitely my hair. This is me. This is me. That's Shara. So I'm laying them all out just because I want to see the lengths. And then as you get into the middle of the bundle, you get the shorter ones. So I'm gonna just start in the back. And they give you a lot of pieces. I didn't count them, but it's got to be like over 10. Okay, I'm gonna clip this up. All right, so this is the first one. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Close them little clips up. All right, the clips are strong. Clips are strong. Okay, that's 1. All right, so I'm gonna just continue. Keep going up. I feel like I have a lot more than I need almost. I don't know. We'll have to see. Maybe I could double them up some places too. I don't know. But look, that's my hair. That's you can't tell the difference. You can't even, it's me. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Gotta open the clips. Gotta open the clips. Like, you cannot tell the difference. I just love this. So you can go in there, they got 4 different textures. Figure out the one that closely looks like your hair, you know? And you can do your natural look with a little more body. Clip these things wherever I want to clip them because they blend so well. It's gonna blend. Okay, and then you just make sure you get a good amount of hair in those clips so it can hold on to something. And then you want to make sure you just snap it when your hair is up in there. All right, yeah, look at that, look at that. I keep forgetting to open the clips. I've got this much in, and I'm left with 4 pieces. I'm gonna just find a spot for these. They can just get in there anywhere, just so I can get that fullness I'm looking for. Okay, so they're all in, and I'm gonna just add a little product, you know, a few different items so I can, you know, not get too frizzy or whatever, and then hopefully my hair will blend nicely with them. This is just some styling foam, so I'm gonna add some of that in there, and just like normal products that I would normally put in my hair when it's natural. But at least I know I can wash them and they're gonna stay curly, so I'm happy about that. I just want them to blend. I'm not gonna do too much product. Just going to do a couple things, just some mousse foam. Probably do my baby hairs a little bit. I think that's about all I need. So I do want to come back when I'm dry, or a little drier, so you can see how they look a little more, you know, drier, how they mesh together. Okay, but this is a completed installation. I got all the clips in. Now I put all the product in, and I'm gonna just let them dry a little bit, but like most of the days when I'm natural, I'll just style my hair first, and then I'll get dressed, and while I'm getting dressed it's drying. That way I won't like leave out the house with it super wet, but it might still be a little damp, you know. But that's pretty much what I do. So this is kind of, you know, it's not super wet because I've been here a minute putting them in and stuff. But you know, usually about an hour is enough time to where I feel like it's dry enough to leave the house. So yeah, so I'll try to come back and show you guys what it looks like a little drier. while I get ready for the day. All right. Okay, I'm back, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is day 2 hair. I kind of refreshed it this morning, but you can definitely see how much fuller, like my normal hair would not have as much body at all. Like my hair gets big, but not this big. So I refreshed it just a little bit this morning, and it's been a couple hours, and so it's probably like 75% dry. And I really like this. I like this look. It's more fuller. I think it gives it a lot of body. Yeah, this is Memorial Weekend hair, and I'm really gonna be wearing this weekend for the holiday and having a good time. It's very easy, convenient. I like it a lot. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching my review on the Betterlength curly clip-in hair extensions. I'm really liking these. They're really nice. So if you guys are considering getting you some, I suggest you do. These are definitely going to be my go-tos for natural days for sure. So I want to thank you guys again for watching my video on these. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you like the video. Follow me on IG at @SharaChanel_, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video.